Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate real-time heart rate data into Make using the HypeRate plugin. We'll even set up automated alerts that post directly to your Discord channel whenever your heart rate goes above a certain threshold. Sound exciting? Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is install the HypeRate plugin so it appears in your Make account. To do that, simply follow the link in the description. Once you've installed the plugin, you'll see HypeRate as an available option in your Make modules. Let's go ahead and add it to our scenario. In my Make scenario, I start by clicking Add Module and searching for HypeRate. Select Retrieve Heart Rate Data. You'll notice a field labeled User ID. Here, you just pop in the ID associated with your HypeRate account, something like 36F6. Then, click Save. Now you have to test if we are already receiving the last heart rate. Just click Run Once. You should receive the last heartbeat as you can see here. Next, let's send a message to a Discord channel. Just add a Discord module, choose Send a Message to a Channel, and select the channel you want. In this case, I'm using News, but you can pick any channel. In the message box, reference your last heartbeat value, something like, "Your heart rate with last heartbeat BPM is too high. Please cool down." Click Save and you're all set. Now, for the cool part, we can create a filter that checks if the heart rate, known as last heartbeat, goes above a certain number. In my example, I want to trigger an alert if it's greater than 80 beats per minute. Now it's time to test. Make sure you're wearing your heart rate device connected to HypeRate. Then run the scenario in Make. If your heart rate goes above 80 beats per minute, you'll automatically get a Discord message warning you to take it easy. With these simple steps, you can build all kinds of cool automations. Maybe logging your heart rate in Google Sheets, sending personalized SMS alerts, or even controlling smart home devices. The sky's the limit. And there you have it. You've just learned how to install the HypeRate plugin, retrieve real-time heart rate data in Make, and trigger notifications on Discord. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automation tips, and let me know in the comments what creative scenarios you're planning to build next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.